Students, how are you? Today we'll start F.Sc Mathematics, chapter number 3, integration, exercise number 3.2. Its first question, chapter part number 4. The given function for the integration is f of x is equal to integral 2x plus 3 power 1 by 2. Here we have a function with the whole power of 1 by 2. So for this function, we have another formula for integration, which is we add plus 1 in the power and we divide it with the same new power multiplied with the derivative of the function. Let's suppose we have x plus 1 power n. So how can we do its integration? We will take x plus x into a. We can say x into a will be equal to x into a, or ax plus 1 power n plus 1 whole divided by n plus 1 into the derivative of this function, which is f prime of x. This function is called f of x. So by this formula we will integrate this function, this given function. So when we will integrate it, we will take its derivative, which is 2, only 2, because 2x plus 3, and we remember that whenever we will take the derivative, we will take it without the power, not with the power. Without the power, the derivative of this function is only x, only 2, sorry, because the derivative of x is 1 and 3 is 0, so the answer will be 2. Okay, now when we will integrate it, we can write 2x plus 3 power 1 by 2 plus 1, because here we use n plus 1. N is the power, which is 1 by 2, plus 1 increment in the power, which is 1 increment, divided by the same new power, which is 1 by 2 plus 1, multiplied by the derivative of the function, and we know that the derivative of the function is 2. Here 2x, by solving 2x plus 3 is equal to 3 by 2. Here 3 by 2 multiplied by 2, this one is the 2 cancelled by 2, and the new function will become 2x plus 3 power 3 by 2 over 3, or we can say 1 by 3 into 2x plus 3 power 3 by 2. We don't know that the solution of this function is right or wrong. So to prove it, that is it right or wrong, we will take the derivative of this function, because we know that derivative and integration are the inverse of each other. This is the result of integration. So to prove it, that is it right, we will take its derivative. So on checking, we said that this is f of x is equal to 1 by 3 2x plus 3 power 3 by 2. Now take its derivative, will become 2x plus 3 power 3 by 2 minus 1 less, multiplied by the derivative of the function, which is without power, which is again 2. This 2 will cancel out. Oh sorry, no, this will not cancel out. This will become 2 by 3 and 2x plus 3 power. When we solve this power, it will become 1 by 2. Now the function will be 2 by 3. Sorry, I have some mistake in the derivative of this function, so I will take it again. 1 by 3 2x plus 3 power 3 by 2. Now by taking the derivative f prime of x, d by dx, 1 by 3 into 2x plus 3 power 3 by 2. This 1 by 3 is a constant, so we will take it outside from the derivative and we will apply on the function. So according to derivative, power will be multiplied and decrease in the power with a factor of 1, and then By leaving the power, we will take the derivative of the function again, and the derivative of this function will become, this is x will become 1, 3 becomes 0, and only 2 will left. 3 cancel out by 3, this 2 cancel out by 2, the function will remain 2x plus 3 power 1 by 2. This is the same function as we have here for the integration. So we can say that after taking its derivative, the answer is the same as our given function. So we can say that our integration is correct. Hope so you can understand it well. We will meet in the next lecture. Goodbye.